This is the Brilliant Evolution 2-pack ultra-thin LED lights, and they just work perfectly. Very easy to operate. All you have to do is tap it off and then tap it back on. It uses 3 AAA batteries that aren't included. And it also comes with screws as well as adhesive tape too. This is perfect to use under cabinets, in your closet, in the trunk of your car, even in display cases too. This provides 40 hours of light. These are super bright 45 lumens of light, and they're just so easy to use. Here's a close-up of what it looks like. All you have to do is tap it off and then tap it back on. And to install, all you have to do is twist this off, and there's screw holes here, or you can use the adhesive tape provided. And then just put in your 3 AAA batteries and then put this back on, twist, and you're good to go. And look how bright it is in the dark. I was sent this from Brilliant Evolution to evaluate, and I absolutely love it. And I think you will too. Thank you for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.